Hey guys, it's your girl Montera here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this super cute bob box braids. Like girl, this is my go-to summer look. It's super cute and super simple, alright? So if you are new here, you are welcome. And if you've been here before, ooh, I love you. So please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, guys, and click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, now let's get right into this. Hey guys, so my hair is already washed, oiled, and prepped. Okay, now I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear as usual. Yes, now once that is done, I'm going to section this section into smaller sections. Yes, okay, you know your girl can see from the back, right? So yeah, I just need to check and make sure that the sectioning looks neat and cute. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to go in with my eco gel, to keep my section neat. This just helps the line looks shiny and clean. Okay, and it just helps hold my hair. Okay, now I'm just going to get that into smaller sections like I said before. And then today I'm not using the rubber band method. Okay, I'm just going to braid down my hair. No rubber bands, just braiding down my natural hair. Okay, now let's get this braids done. Okay girl, now we're going to get the center line. Now we have to make it cute and very neat. All right, so we're going to part this into two halves and then just put one half aside and work with the other. Okay, but first I'm going to apply my edge control, to secure my edges. I love baby hair, so I'm going to secure my edges and then I'll just go in with my eco gel, section, and braid. Okay, just continue braiding my natural hair. So it completely depends on you. You can make your sections big or small. Okay, you can see my sections, my front sections are very small. Okay, they're smaller than those at the back. Now we are all done. Ooh, this is how it looks. Yes, girl, right? Not bad, right? Okay, now I'm going to go in with my braiding hair and my crochet. Okay, but first I have to cut my braiding hair into two halves. All right, once I do that, I'm just going to pick the ends. Now once I finish picking the ends, okay, I started braiding already. Now let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm just going to separate this braiding hair into two halves, not equal halves, a smaller one and a bigger one. Now I'm going to start with the smaller one and I'm just going to use my crochet, making sure the latch is open and not closed, and I'll just put that through my natural braided hair and then pull out the small braiding hair. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to be using this small braiding hair to cover my natural hair, and then I'll go in with the bigger piece. I'll just wrap it at the bottom, making sure it is wrapped nicely tight and secured, okay, to give it that nice peak look. All right, and then I'm just going to braid it down. Yeah girl, so once you're braiding it down, you just need to borrow hair from time to time, making sure it looks even. You don't want your braids looking older. So yeah, and then you just make sure the lengths are almost equal, almost same. And then once you're done, once you are ready to put in your rubber band, you just do that. Okay, just check, make sure they are like even or something, and then you go in with your rubber band to get that secured and tight. All right, so I'm just going to show you one more time. Now you go in with your small braiding hair, making sure your latch is open. Okay, you pull that through, take it out, and use it to cover your natural hair, just like that when braiding. All right, you don't want some peekaboo with your natural hair. So you go in with the bigger piece. You know, at the bottom you have to wrap it. Okay, you wrap really tight so it looks really neat and cute. All right, and then you braid down. Yeah, that's how we get those box braids. Okay, okay guys, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click that subscribe button right down below, okay, and give your girl a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you. If you're new to this channel, you're so welcome. I love you. This is a family right here. Just join the family by clicking that subscribe button, okay, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. All right, I love you. Thank you so much. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's go through this one more time. Okay, smaller braiding hair first. Okay, put it through, take it out. You use it to cover your natural hair. You know, you don't want that showing up out your braids. And then you go in with the bigger piece and just hold that real tight at the bottom. All right, you don't want that looking loose and all ugly. No, you want to look it cute and neat. So that's how it's supposed to look. So you just want to get it right, okay? And then you braid down, and that's just it. So actually this took me about 30 minutes to get my braids on. Like, I really wish I could get you a 30 minutes video, but now that's too long, right? So I'm trying to keep it short here. So practically I spent more time sectioning my hair than braiding. So that's just it. Okay, and then you also take some time if you have to pick the ends of your braiding hair. And once you pick the ends, it will look just like this. You know, you can see the ends looking real nice and slicked out. And then you oil it before you start using. Okay, now let's do this one more time. All right, small hair first, and then the bigger piece second, and then you just, you know, hold it at the bottom real tight and braid, braid and braid, girl, braid. Okay, this is just me making sure that you get this trick right. All right, so you have to separate this braiding hair into two, okay, not equal halves. a smaller one and a bigger one, and then you start with the smaller one first. You go in, you get that out using your crochet latch. All right, so once you get that out, you use the smaller hair to cover your natural braided hair. Just like this. All right, now once you get that, you go in with the second piece, which is the bigger one, and then for the front part you can just hold the braid like this, all right, with your finger across, and then just hold that at the bottom. You want to make sure it's tight so it really looks cute and neat, like neatly braided. Yeah, that's right, your girl be looking like someone who just got out of the salon. Yes. So that's just the trick. Okay, it looks super clean and cute. Now after I finish braiding, I'm just going to trim the ends. Okay, I was trying to be fast, so I just had to braid and then do the trimming later. So after you trim everything, you want to put your hair in some hot water, not boiling water. Please don't burn yourself. Hot water. Okay, so I'll just quickly trim my ends and then put my hair in hot water, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to be using these rings that I got from Amazon. You know I'm an accessorizing queen. Yes, girl. So I'm just going to accessorize my hairstyle with these bling blings. Yep. Now once that is done, well, I think I'm gonna put some more. Okay, and then once I finish, I'll be right back with some cute makeup, and your girl will be looking stunning. Yes, girl. Yeah, summer baby girls ready to go popping, like Thank you guys for watching. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Okay. Mwah.